Fortnite is back with an exciting trivia quiz competition called Secret Trivia Quest. This trivia is now live and Fortnite players from across the globe are participating in this trivia. Fortnite Trivia has a total of 5 questions with 4 options each. The players have to choose the correct answer to each question correctly in order to win it. Here in this video, today we are going to tell correct Fortnite Secret Trivia Quest answers. Fortnite Trivia Answers for Fortnite Secret Trivia Quest. Question 1. Which spy within map is the largest? Answer: Midas Museum. Question 2. What Fortnite item is used as a body in Spy Within? Answer: Snowman. Question 3. What equipable item can be used as a spy in Shopper's Delight? Answer: Smoke Grenade. Question 4. Which Spy Within map has an underwater death room? Answer: Steamboat. Question 5. How many reindeer can be found in Holiday Workshop? Answer: 4.